Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. The thing here is that there is no setting for this, so we have to do everything manually. And you can do that by just double clicking on the header if you want to add this in the header. Now we want to go to Insert, Symbols, Special Characters, and now I'm going to type a Roman here. You can choose first a Roman numeral. Alright, so we have the first one. I can make this bold and larger. Now to create a second one, I can type something in my page. Then we want to go to Insert. From the drop down, we want to choose a section break, next page. Now again, double click on the header, then unlink, link to previous. And now we can do the second number for the Roman numerals. I'm going to type Roman again. We can highlight this to make this larger. And this is the only way how you can do this. So now I can go again on the third page. I'm going to unlink this. And we have to again manually put the Roman numeral. Okay, so this is all for this video, how you can add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.